welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. How to buy COVID travel insurance for a cruise? If you've been waiting for the COVID pandemic to be in the review mirror before you book a cruise, you may feel like you can't get a break now that the Omicron variant is affecting travel worldwide. If you are booking a cruise, buying travel insurance is more important than ever because of travel uncertainties. The best pandemic travel insurance plans will have a good level of medical coverage, including COVID coverage, and the ability to upgrade to cancel for any reason or CFAR coverage. CFAR lets you make a cancellation claims for a reason not listed in the past policy. For example, you could make a CFAR claim because you don't want to travel because of Omicron or because you don't like the COVID testing requirements you face. Recommended travel insurance for cruises. Megan Watch, head of cruises coverage analysis for insurer. My trip recommends you look into a comprehensive policy that includes the following coverage types. This trip cancellation insurance will reimburse you for 100% of your non-refundable trip costs if you have to cancel for a reason that's listed in the policy. Make sure you have a travel insurance plan that includes COVID-related trip cancellation insurance because not all travel insurance plans do. Emergency medical expenses and emergency evacuation. These important coverage types pay medical expenses such as a doctor and hospital bills during the trip and the cost to get you to the nearest adequate medical facility if necessary. Make sure you have a plan that covers COVID-related medical and evacuation expenses. Also note that Medicare and US-based health plans may have limited or no coverage when you have the US if you're traveling abroad, which is common for a cruise. You likely have little to no medical coverage without a travel insurance policy. There are travel insurance plans with up to $500,000 in medical expenses coverage and $1 million for $1 million for emergency evacuation. Even if your cruise line doesn't require high amounts like this, expenses can quickly add up if you have a claim. Trip delay coverage reimburses you for extra expenses during a delay, like having to pay for an extra night at a hotel or for meals while you wait in the airport. Trip interruption coverage pays out if you have to cut your trip short. For example, if you have to return home because of an injury. A travel insurance plan may reimburse 150% or other percentage of your unused trip costs if you have to return home for a reason listed in the policy. Baggage benefits usually include coverage for lost, damage, and delayed baggage. The number one covered reason for cancellation and interruption is an unforeseen illness, injury, or death of the insured, a traveling companion, or a non-traveling family member, says Watch. She also recommends that cruisers consider cancel for any reason, CFAR coverage, an optional upgrade on some travel insurance plans. If all eligibility requirements are met, cancel for any reason coverage will reimburse 50% or 75% of your prepared, non-refundable trip costs if you want to back out of your cruise for any reason, such as fear of COVID or just fear of travel, which wouldn't be covered under standard trip cancellation reasons. To use CFAR coverage, you must cancel at least 2 days before departure, considering travel insurance even if not required. Even if your cruise line doesn't require travel insurance, should you consider buying a policy? As ships are starting to ease back into sailing again, you still may be a bit worried about booking a cruise. That's where a travel insurance policy helps. Travel insurance can help to alleviate some of the financial burdens if you must cancel, says Walt. Comprehensive travel insurance policies can also help with additional expenses to catch up with the boat in the even weather delays your flights for a set number of hours and you miss your cruise departure. Travel medical coverage is certainly a reason to buy travel insurance even if your cruise doesn't require it. Lisa Conway, Chief Underwriting Officer for Battleways, a travel insurance company, says to always ensure that the travel medical expenses amount covers what is required by the cruise line. In addition, the travel landscape is shifting and some destinations may require insurance. Some destinations might require you to show proof of travel insurance upon entry, says Conway. In the case of Battleways, we cover $500,000 per insured, and for emergency evacuation and Repatriation of remittance benefits up to $500,000 in the event that you or your traveling companion requires medical treatment, quarantine, or emergency evacuation due to COVID-related sickness while on the trip, she says. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.